Step aside, Chatgpt. Introducing MAGai. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy, and we're going to show you an A/B test between Chatgpt and MAGai. And I got to tell you, I'm pretty excited about this because I am the founder and creator of this new tool. So if you're trying to learn how to sell on Amazon, you're going to have 1,000 things you should do to run your account. But there really only is 1, 2, or 3 things you can get to at any point in time per day. So if you're trying to figure out what to do and how to do it, this is going to be a great tool. So first we have our competing champions. Chatgpt, ask it for 5 Amazon PPC tips. First of all, you have to type the word Amazon in, otherwise it won't even know what you're talking about. And in here, it gives some pretty good answers. Keyword research and targeting, optimize product listings, use negative keywords, adjust bids, leverage different ad types. I would say fairly good answer. Contextual, tells you what you're looking for. Now, same question over at MAGai. And here we have the question, give me 5 PPC tips. Don't even have to say Amazon. So that's the first thing. You don't have to reference Amazon because every answer you will get from this tool is Amazon focused. It's been programmed with all of the content I have personally made, only uses my content to answer questions, versus Chatgpt pulling randomly from the web and you don't know which source it's coming from. So if you trust me, you're going to like this tool. If you don't trust me, why are you watching my videos to begin with? And in here, here's the answer. Use negative keywords. Well, we saw that answer before. Segment your ad groups. Also saw that answer before. Test different ad formats. Now we're differentiating a little bit. Optimize the landing page. I guess you could kind of say similar to optimize product listing. And monitor your campaigns regularly. We're going off a little bit, giving you some tips on how to manage it. But here's really where it gets set apart. 2 additional resources are given here. View, make sure you segment your ad types, and it pops up with a YouTube video. Notice how it's going to a specific ad timestamp right here. And here I have an AMA with another Amazon ad expert, with Victor Dwyer, who came on the show most recently. So you get a cool resource there with a video link so you could just dive straight in and hear people talking about this very topic. Then there's another resource right here, interested in learning more, and it's going to link over to some of the most congruent, regular content to give further context to this question. So we links over to myamazonguy.com/ppc, and in here you have a masterclass, all these graphics, and a bunch of cool stuff. So basically, you could use this tool to answer any Amazon question. For example, you could type in, how do I change a UPC code on Amazon? And you're going to see live result here. It's going to pop up, and it'll answer that question. According to the video database, the easiest way to change a UPC code on Amazon Seller Central is to file a brand registry ticket, provide a picture of the product or a website manufacturer's link with new UPC codes. And then gives a link to the video, 3 ways to change a UPC code on Seller Central on YouTube. Let's test it again. How do I fix a stuck title that won't update? And this is going to spit out similar content. To fix an error with the Amazon product title that won't update, you can try deleting part of that title that may be causing the error and resubmitting the updates. Wait for the changes to reflect on the back end before adding back the deleted part of the title. This should help resolve the issue. Walkthrough, how to fix issue on YouTube. And this is going to go over to a particular content piece where we talk about literally just this issue, as well as other content pieces that can help you out. Now, maybe you didn't like a particular answer. Let's downvote this and say, you know what? This isn't true. I don't like the video choice. And then let's say you happen to know there's a better video choice. You want to help me make the product better. Stuck title, My Amazon Guy. And here we have several other videos. You can always go to Google and answer this question to get video references, but none of these are going to show you the quick answer that Magi will do for you. This is better, so we'll put the content link in like that. Boom, feedback submitted, thank you, you're making the product better. And we have gone through and done this on every single topic. We've got some of the best Amazon SEO tips in the entire world. We proved that A+ content indexes We proved that alt text and the photos of A+ content can give you thousands of additional keywords indexed. We proved that it uses bytes instead of characters in the search term field on the back end. So many different things we led the charge on. So you're going to want to ask us for some Amazon SEO tips. Here is the first 5 Magi comes back with. Optimize your product title to 200 characters, high quality images, right? Not going to hear that anywhere else. We've been talking about this nonstop. CTR, extremely important, main image, bullet points, get reviews, work on SEO every month. And then here, a search engine optimization link where we talk more in detail about how to use exact things of SEO on Amazon. Now, with this tool being so new, ChatGPT is going to have a bunch of cool features that are far superior, like tracked history, the ability to have a dialogue and see past questions and answers. All of those are going to be really cool with ChatGPT. They've been working on this sucker for years. Those features will be added to second or third versions of our Magi tool here. You'll notice in this video, I've called my product and offering Magi, various different pronunciations because I don't know which one's the best. Can you tell me which one you like in the comment section? How we should produce this? Should we call it mag.ai, Magi, or a combination of something else? I'm very curious to hear what you said. Now, if you want to test this tool yourself, it's free right now over at myamazonguy.com. It's at the very top of the website. There is no gimmicks here. We're trying to become the leading education company in the Amazon selling space. And so one of the things that I think is fundamental to that is to educate, offer free materials. This is why I've shot over 2,000 videos and released them for free on YouTube. Now, obviously, I do have a lot to gain from this because maybe 0.1% of people say, you know what, I don't really want to watch 2,000 videos. I'd rather hire your agency at My Amazon Guy, and that's what I'm counting on. This strategy has been very profitable for me. My company is growing 8% every single month, 60 months running. We've had lots and lots of growth. But I'm just really excited about this. There's so much that's going to come out of this. And we've built a lot of direct questions and answers into the system. We do need your help, though. We do need you to come in and test it yourself. Come in and ask it an Amazon question. Upvote, downvote. Tell us what you like, what you do like, and it's going to get better and better. In the first 24 hours of us releasing this tool, we got over 1,000 questions asked into the system. And I suspect that we're going to probably within about 10 days get closer to 3,000 or 4,000 questions a day because you're going to go tell a friend. You're going to go tell one of your other Amazon sellers about this, and it's going to be really cool. It's going to beat ChatGPT, and it's going to give very specific knowledge sets on how to do stuff. And it's free. You don't even have to pay for it. So check it out over at myamazonguy.com. Type your question in now.